everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for ChatGPT without a phone number. Now, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or go to chat.openai.com in Safari. Next, what you're gonna do is tap sign up and then create a new account. You can choose continue with Apple or continue with Google if you want to avoid for entering a phone number. These sign-in methods usually skip phone verification and rely on existing account security. Step number 4, if you pick continue with email, enter your email address, create a strong password and tap to continue. And then check your email box for verification link, open it and complete the verification process, then return to the app and sign in. And if you choose Apple, then you will just have to show your Face ID and you'll be logged in. Now, privacy tip: always use a trusted Apple ID, Google account or more secure email for sign up. Avoid using temporary or shared emails. They can compromise your access later. Next, quick fix: if it still asks for your number, try signing up using the Apple ID method with hide my email enabled or switch to the Google option. Try these methods, usually bypass number entry completely. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes and easy text